be honest, who doesn't love a good bargain and good quality items? Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Teral and I make 2 videos a week that are all about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, blogging tips, anything that you can kind of think of. If you're new here, I'd love for you to stick around, so make sure you subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So you guys know how much I love a good designer item, and you know how much more I even love a good designer item that is discounted. Yep, let's be honest, who doesn't love a good bargain and good quality items? Put your hands up if you love a good discount and a good quality designer item. That's me. In my last sit down video, I was talking about getting sunglasses at discount prices and where I shop for them. So today I thought I would give you 4. Today I'm going to show you 4 of my designer bags that I have bought at discounted prices and where I got them from, if I can remember the prices, because some of them are very, very old, and just how I kind of shop for designer items on a lower budget. When it comes to designer, unless you're super rich, there's not really any point to go and get the trendiest bag, in my opinion anyway, because trends come and go so quickly and that It's bag only lasts for a season, and I don't know about you, but I can't be affording to constantly buy an It bag. So I like to invest my money into pieces that I know are a little bit more timeless, a little bit more classic, and I can get my money's worth out of. Some of these bags I've had for about 6 years, some of them, and they still look in amazing condition because I like to take care of my bags. I've obviously built up my collection over the years. In my opinion, there's no shade or anything in buying designer items at a little bit of a cheaper price. I mean, why not? Saving money at the end of the day, still getting that designer item that I love. So I'm actually going to start with the order that I bought them in. Yeah. In terms of shopping for designer, the things that I like to look at, like I said, is classic shape, classic styles, colours, stuff that I can rewear and incorporate into my wardrobe in lots of different ways. I also like to get bags that I know that I can wear throughout the whole year. I don't like to buy seasonal items, and I always wear like spring bags in the summer, in the winter, and vice versa as well, because that's just me, that's just my style. So my first tip is to save your money and wait until designer sales. That might be a sample sale, that might be a sale on the website. I know like Harrods and Net-a-Porter, Selfridges, all of those shops and designers individually generally have a sale at the end of the season. Around June and around December time, there's always a sale. So you can always find the bag that you like at a discounted price at that time of year. It might not be the exact bag that you like, it might be in a different colorway, or it might be last season's bag. But like I said, I generally don't really care about the seasons of an item because I don't go for the It's bag. I go for a classic bag that I know I can get a lot of wear out of. So that's my first tip. Wait until the sales and see what you can find. And if you can't find a bag that you really like, you can then go for the bag that you've got your heart set on. My second tip is to check designer discount stores like TK Maxx, Outnet, and also you can go to Bicester Village or Ashford or a designer outlet or something. They always have great discounts and you can always find some beautiful pieces. And my third tip is to save your money and wait. Just wait. Make sure that it's something that you really want before you make that initial purchase, because sometimes if you're in a bit of a rush, you can make some mistakes and it might not be something that you really like, or you might buy something and then the week after something else comes. So just make sure that the item that you've got your eye on, you've thought about it, you've kind of incorporated it into your wardrobe already. You can imagine wearing it with certain items that you already own. And then just make sure that it's right for you and not just because it's a hyped bag at the moment. My fourth tip is to shop secondhand designer bags. Most of the time these bags are really well looked after, so they're in great conditions and you can generally get a really good discount on some of them. I use the designer exchange a lot, and I've also heard a lot of people recommend Vestiaire Collective as well. I'm sure there's so many other places in London or wherever you're from in the world that also do those sort of shops. I've bought some lovely pieces secondhand, and 9 times out of 10 people cannot realise that they're secondhand, and I don't even realise half the time that they're secondhand because they're so well looked after. Go to a place where it's been checked, and so the Designer Exchange, they have amazing people who check the handbags themselves, and they're trained in spotting fake bags, so you're always guaranteed a real bag. And the same with Vestiaire Collective as well. They always, before you receive your item, the bag is always checked. So those are my top tips to buying a designer at a discounted price. I'm just going to show you some of the items that I bought and where I bought them from, because that might help you as well. 4 of my designer bags that I've bought at a discounted price. I'm going to start with the first one that I ever bought, and that is my Alexander McQueen Beauty. Now this one I picked up at an Alexander McQueen sample sale. I picked up so much that day, it's ridiculous. This was probably about 6 years ago now. I fell in love with this bag and I knew I had to have it. I knew it was meant to be. It's like, it's not real snake skin, but it's like a snake skin effect, and red, and it's got like dark black in it, but it just looks so beautiful. It's also got gold hardware here with the McQueen logo there, and it's got like studs all around on the bottom and all around the back. It's got a small handle, and this bit is wood. This bag actually came with a strap, but I broke the strap when I was on holiday one year, and I haven't managed to get it fixed. I've still got it. I could probably get it fixed, to be honest. It's just the hook area, but I'm just so lazy when it comes to repairing things. I really should, but I like using this as this bag anyway. I think it's super cute. I fell in love with the colour instantly and the shape, and surprisingly it does fit a lot inside. This I picked up, like I said, about 6 years ago, so I can't remember the price of it, but it's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And because it's a sample, I don't actually know if it was ever put into production or not, but I don't care. I just love the bag. I think it's beautiful. I love the colour, I love the shape, and like I said, it can fit a lot in it, so it's really, really nice. And I bought this 6 years ago. I used it endlessly when I first bought it, and then I kind of left it in my wardrobe and forgot about it, and I recently pulled it out again. I think it's been about 6 months I've been using it, and whenever I wear this bag I get so many compliments on it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Everyone always asks me where this from. Yeah, I'm just in love with it. I love it so much. So the next item that I picked up is a bag that you guys have probably seen a lot on my Instagram and my YouTube channel. It's my Burberry bag. I bought this in Milan at the outlet store for £360, I think. Yeah, I think it was £360, because it was like 400 and something euros at the time. This is how old now? When did I go to Milan? I think 3 years ago now. I absolutely love this Burberry bag. It's a crossbody bag, and it's like a slouchy material, but it's perfect for every day. It fits so much in it, and it's just such a comfortable bag. And because it's got this very soft leather, like a slouchy material, you can fill it up a lot and it doesn't lose its shape, and it just looks better, to be honest. It's the more full it is. Like right now it's empty. It's got a magnet here, and it's got a card holder space and a zip at the back. I actually did a what's in my handbag, and I'll link that down below for this bag so you can see just how much it fits inside it. Yeah, when I saw it I instantly knew I wanted it to be mine, and I just really liked it. I love the shape, and I knew it would be perfect for every day, and I've literally worn it to death. It's perfect for every day. It's very comfortable to wear, and it's the sort of bag that I just chuck on when I'm ready to go, and I love that about it. Like, I don't have to worry. I just know that the bag is going to be fine, it's going to look good, and I'm going to be able to fit everything that I need into it. I love it. The next bag that I picked up is this Celine Trio in this burnt orange, I'd call it, colour. It's a trio, so it's got 3 separate sections that all have their own zip area, and it comes with a cross the body strap. But what I love about this bag is it can unclip. So you have like an evening clutch like this, and it even pops off this side as well. So you have 2, and you also have this, which you can just wear across the body as one little pouch. And I absolutely adore this bag because it's so practical. Like, I love this in the summer when I'm traveling, especially if I don't have a large luggage allowance, this comes in really handy because, like I said, I've got 2 bags in one, so I can use this during the day and then I can just use this during the evening, and it just fits really comfortably. And I'm not much of a clutch girl anyway, so I can just use it like this. Like, it doesn't really bother me. Some people might say you shouldn't really do that, but it doesn't really bother me. And also, when I'm like on a holiday, I don't really dress up, so even if I do go out in the evenings, I tend to just wear it how it is because it just matches everything. I fell in love with the colour instantly because it's so beautiful. I'd seen it so much in the nude and in the black, but I'd never seen it in this colour before. And every time I wear this bag as well, everyone's like, oh my god, that colour is insane. And I'm so happy I bought it. It does fit quite a lot in it because, like I said, it's got 3 different sections. If you fill it too much, it doesn't look as nice as when it looks when it's more flat. But I absolutely adore this bag, and I generally use the centre one for like my phone and my purse, and then on the side ones I put lipsticks or things. I always get worried that someone's going to pop this off and pull it, so I always make sure that my most valuable items are in the centre one because that's the one that is stuck to the strap. I picked this up from Designer Exchange and I bought this for £200. That was an absolute steal because this bag is super expensive to buy brand new, and I don't even think they make this colour anymore. So I was so grateful to find it in this colour, and it's just stunning. Absolutely stunning. The bag is pre-loved. To be honest, I think the price of it was so low because it's quite well worn. It's not very visible when you first look at it. The only thing that I'd say is really worn is like the bottom of the bag and one side of the strap. That's about it. Everything else on it, like the leather's not scratched or anything, it's just those 2 areas, but that doesn't really bother me. I think that's fine, and it just shows that a bag has been loved and it's got a history to itself. And to be honest, that price, like, that's what I like about buying pre-loved items. Like, it's a £200 bag. You can buy like a brand new bag from Kurt Geiger for that price. Do you know what I mean? And this time I'm actually getting a Celine, and it's beautiful and it's just stunning. I love it. I love wearing this bag in the summer. It's just my go-to. I bring this out every summer. I think I've had this bag about 3 years, 2.5 years, and every summer I bring it out. So my last designer discounted bag is again from Designer Exchange. This time I bought a Dior bag. Absolutely love this bag. I'm in love with it. Every time I wear it, it just makes me feel so special. This bag is just a dream come true. It's absolutely beautiful. If I remember correctly, the name is Miss Dior. It comes with a gold hardware chain that says Dior just here. Both sides of it is detachable, but I generally just use it across the body because I feel like it just looks better than a clutch like that. I think it looks better with the strap. It's got the gold hardware that says Dior just here, and inside it's got like a pouch area here and loads of card holders, and then it's just plain like that, so you can fit quite a bit in there. Small, it's light, it's beautiful. Like, look at that colour. That colour is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And it's the lamb leather, so it's super soft, which means it does scratch extremely easily. Yeah, I've kind of ruined the back of it because I wore a navy jacket with it and the colour transferred and it was not great whatsoever. But the front of it is all that I really care about because the back you can't see at all. Like, even I don't see the back when I use it. It's very comfortable to wear. The strap is quite comfortable. The only thing is my hair does get stuck in this sometimes. I know now that the newer versions have got a leather kind of strap that goes just across there, which makes it a little bit more comfortable. But other than my hair getting tangled in it once in a while, it's a very comfortable bag to wear. This one I picked up for £650, and to buy this brand new is probably double the price. It's over £1,000, I know that. Absolutely stunning. I love it. And it even came with the box and the dust bag for it as well. It's just a beautiful bag and I love it. I really like it. So there we have my 4 designer discounted bags that I've bought over the years. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'd love to know which one was your favourite, and I'd also love to know some of your designer discount saving tips kind of things. So if you have any, make sure you write them down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I just want to do a quick disclaimer. I wanted to share with you guys some tips and tricks that I like to use to buy designer bags or at a discounted price. and I'm in no way saying that you must buy designer bags whatsoever, because that is just my preference. And like I said, I like to buy them at a discounted price when I can, because why the hell not? So that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'd love for you guys to stick around, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below. I make 2 videos a week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!